Konkan Railway has a unique service called roll-on, roll-off, in which we carry trucks loaded on the railway wagons, and this service is operational from Surathkal to Kolat, Surathkal to Varna, Kolat to Varna. And pricing for this ticket fare for the carrying these trucks is based on the dynamic pricing. It varies as per the diesel cost in the market. If diesel price goes up, the dynamic pricing it will go up. If subsequently if diesel price comes down, the ticket fare will be reduced accordingly. And this service will be completing its 25 years service, and it's you'll find this service available only on Konkan Railway. Nowhere else in Indian Railways this service is operational. And then there's a weighing machine, but there's some weight restrictions. And we carry 2 axle, 3 axle, 4 axle trucks on this. And till date, right from beginning, since 1999 till date, Konkan Railway has almost around 650 crores. And we have carried 6.5 lakh trucks all these years. This service is beneficial for the transporters because they save on wear and tear of the trucks, diesel, then drivers or cleaners, whoever, they can travel along with the truck, and plus they get total rest during this travel period.